Well, most of us wonder if the hype around ChatGPT and large language models (LLMs) is over. Was it just about fancy bots and generated images? What's the next frontier in AI?
You're asking the right questions. There's something new called large action models or LAMs. Instead of just talking, they're designed to actually do things. Think beyond just new product development and AI devices. Action models seem poised to revolutionize the automation of the IT industry as well.
Do they act like software robots? What can they do exactly?
Sort of. We've researched that they can learn to interact with programs. Think of a LAM as an AI agent that can use different software in the same way we do. It understands your command and figures out the steps on its own.
Can you give me an example?
Well, there's an early one called Rabbit R1 that seems to do things like book travel arrangements and order groceries. But LAMs could evolve to do way more, especially in IT.
How exactly could LAMs change how IT works?
You've probably seen stuff like the Rabbit R1 device, booking travel, ordering groceries. Now, imagine scaling that capability up for IT and business processes. LAMs could completely change how we approach automation. Think about complex IT jobs with tons of repetitive steps or juggling different software tools. LAMs could evolve to be taught to handle all of that, which would be a huge time saver. Of course, it's not a magic bullet. The technology's still evolving, so there are challenges. We have to carefully consider the costs and benefits of any automation solution.
Will these action models impact IT workers? If so, how?
That's a big question. History tells us automation frees humans from repetitive tasks. Computers do that work instead. So, my analysis is, yes, certain repetitive IT tasks are definitely at risk. But the positive side is that LAM automation should free up IT pros to focus on more strategic, creative problem solving. Also, while it's true this kind of automation will require skills like business analysis and testing, we'll also see a need for new skills specifically designed around training and managing LAMs.
So now how does this LAM idea compare to other AI tech out there?
That's the thing, the AI world is exploding. There are even things like action GPTs that take a different approach. The core idea is similar, getting AI to take actions, but the way they're designed differs. Action GPTs tend to use APIs for direct program communication, while LAMs focus on mimicking how humans interact with interfaces. Products like Rabbit R1 and its ecosystem are super exciting and definitely offer a glimpse into how LAMs could change everyday life. But there are challenges. LAMs have to log into your accounts, so security and privacy are huge concerns. Plus, things like CAPTCHAs or website changes can easily trip them up. Both LAMs and technologies like Action GPT show immense potential. It'll be fascinating to see how these different AI ecosystems evolve and cater to different needs. Since our focus today was on the impact of LAMs on IT, let's save those deep dives into Action GPT and Rabbit R1 for another discussion.
Wow, okay. There's a lot to keep track of here.
Absolutely. Our goal is to stay on top of this. If you want to hear more about AI like this, definitely subscribe. We'll break down other advancements as they happen.